So start living your magic. Use this number one and only tool. You never need any other tool. I promise. And if you need more help to get ready and get to this point where you want to do that and you really start doing that and you practice that until you reach that state, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more inner freedom tools. But my honest opinion is you actually need only this number one tool. And I learned that 5 years ago from Kurt Tepperwein, who is a very conscious and at the same time grounded soul, teaching exactly that. And immediately I knew this is the only thing actually I need to ever know and do. So use your power. Reclaim your true self.